The U.S. Water System's Matrixx Tannin Removal Water System. This system is a heavy-duty solution guaranteed to solve even the most stubborn of tannin water problems. Investing in the Matrixx Tannin Removal System guarantees that you'll no longer have to worry about stubborn tannins. The proprietary Tanex filtering resin used in this system will remove 99.5 to 100% of tannin from your water supply. Most filter systems, even if they're high-end, use a low-cost styrene-based resin that simply doesn't do the job. A filter using cheaper materials may not cost you any less to install, yet will only remove between 65 and 70% of tannins. The Matrixx Tannin Removal System uses salt to regenerate the anion resin. While that may look like a traditional softener, it will not soften your water. That's why, if you have water with hardness above 5 grains per gallon, we recommend to put this system in after a water softener to ensure effectiveness and a longer life. Setup and maintenance with the Matrixx is simple because of the Bluetooth-enabled smartphone app. The Smart Valve system integrates directly with your smartphone, and you'll have access to real-time data and settings. The precise electronic meter means tannins are removed even in high water flow conditions with minimal waste water. Because the Matrixx Tannin Removal System is made in the USA and it utilizes only professional-grade NSF-certified parts, you can count on it lasting for years to come. But it's also backed by a lifetime warranty on tanks and a 10-year warranty on valve and electronics. Here are the pros. Guaranteed to remove 99.5 to 100% of the tannins in your water. No trace of color or taste left in the water. Bluetooth apps for monitoring and settings. Made in the USA with NSA-certified parts. It's got a best-in-class warranty. Here are the cons. It's best if paired with a water softener if you have a hard water issue. Requires brine tank to be periodically refilled with salt. Check the description box below for more water filtration information and special discount prices. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell so you don't miss a single video of your favorite products. Thanks for watching and see you next time.